Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the find function in Google Sheets to search for specific characters within text, and even use that to extract useful information from an email list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently pinpointing characters and slicing up text automatically, a skill that can save you tons of time when working with spreadsheets. Let's jump right in. Imagine you've got a list of email addresses. Picture a simple column labeled email address with entries like johnsmith@gmail.com, Maria Cruz at yahoo.com, Ken Tan at outlook.com, and so on. Now, what if you want to break out parts of those emails, like the domain name after the @ symbol for analysis or sorting, here, where the find function shines? First, we want to locate the exact position of the @ symbol in each email address. This is important because the @ serves as a divider between the username and the domain. Knowing its position lets us slice the text precisely. In cell B2, right next to your first email address in A2, you'll type this formula. Equals find at A2. What's happening here? Well, the find function looks inside A2 for the @ symbol, and then tells you its position, counting from the left. So if the output is 11, that means the @ is the 11th character in johnsmith@gmail.com. This can feel a little abstract at first, but think of it like counting seats in a row. Find tells you which seat the @ is sitting in. After you enter the formula in B2, don't forget, instead of manually entering it for every row, you can drag the little square at the corner of B2 downward. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each email address below. This step is a real time saver, especially with larger lists. Don't worry if your output numbers vary. That just means the usernames differ in length, and that's perfectly normal. Now let's take things a step further. Maybe what you really want isn't just the position of the @ but the domain name itself, like gmail.com or yahoo.com. To do this, we'll combine the mid and find functions in cell C2. Here's the formula. Equals mid A2 find at A2 plus 1 len A2. Let's break that down a bit. Mid is like a pair of scissors. It cuts a piece out of your text. The first part, A2, tells mid where to look. Find at A2 finds the exact spot where @ sits, and by adding 1, we start cutting right after the @. The len A2 part simply ensures we scoop up everything from that point to the end of the email address, no matter how long or short. Type that into C2 then, just like before, click and drag the formula down so it automatically applies to the rest of your email addresses. Instantly, you'll see just the domains neatly lined up. If you notice a blank or error, double-check your original data for typos or extra spaces. Sometimes a sneaky space can throw things off, but a quick correction gets everything back on track. So there you have it. Using find plus mid not only helps you locate specific characters, but also to extract key info, making your spreadsheets more dynamic and useful. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions or run into hiccups, leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical Google Sheets tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.